United Nations, levels of nitrogen dioxide fell by more than 70% during the lockdown in New Delhi, a UN policy brief said on Tuesday, warning that the environmental gains could be temporary if the cities reopen without policies to prevent air pollution and promote decarbonisation. The UN Secretary-General's policy brief on COVID-19 in an urban world said that with an estimated 90% of all reported COVID-19 cases, urban areas have become the epicentre of the pandemic. It also pointed out that several new scientific studies suggest that poor air quality is correlated with higher COVID-19 mortality rates. The size of their populations and their high level of global and local interconnectivity make them particularly vulnerable to the spread of the virus. The brief said that while pollution and greenhouse gas emissions have fallen sharply during the pandemic when countries halted their economies to contain the spread of the virus, these environmental gains are expected to be temporary if economies reopen without policies in place that prevent air pollution. Levels of nitrogen dioxide fell by more than 70% during the lockdown in New Delhi, India, 40% in urban areas in China, 20% in Belgium and Germany, and 19 to 40% in different areas of the US, the brief said. A small increase in fine particulate matter has been associated with an 8% increase and up to 21.4% increase in death rates in the US and the Netherlands, respectively, it said. New evidence also points to impacts on pregnant women and newborn babies as well as maternal mortality, particularly among populations already facing socio-economic stress due to marginalisation. On COVID-19 outbreaks in informal settlements, the brief said that in Mumbai, as of mid-April 2020, 30% of designated containment zones, which are areas with large outbreaks, were in slums, while 60% were within 100 meters of an informal settlement, it said. In his message, UN Chief Antonio Guterres said urban areas were ground zero of the COVID-19 pandemic, with 90% of the reported cases. Cities are bearing the brunt of the crisis, many with strained health systems, inadequate water and sanitation services, and other challenges. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe and then click on the bell icon so that you can check out all environment updates. Thank you.